Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jyoti and I create video on makeup, skincare, lifestyle and a lot more. If you're interested, then please do subscribe to my channel and also tap the notification bell to get all the latest updates. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys few Flipkart sandals which I recently bought. So these are basically heels, and I recently bought like bunch of heels from Flipkart. So keep on watching this video till the end. Yeah, these are really inexpensive. These are like under rupees 500. These are not even 1000. So first one we have is this brown heels, and this is what it looks. So it has like a strap to hook up, and it's really easy to wear this. These are not really uncomfortable to wear, so I really love this. And also coming to the quality, this is it's a velvet material, and this is what it looks. I really love how this color looks like. This is basically tan color. So you can basically pair this with any jeans or any flowy kind of dress. These are really comfortable to wear, and this costed me around 399 rupees, and it's in the size 7. So yeah. And also this sandals, the same sandals you get in some other color like pink and gray. If you want to check that out, you can also check in some other color. And then the next one we have is this white heels, and this is what it looks. I really love how this color looks like. It's basically pure white, and this has like very thin straps over here, so it's really thin, so it's not really uncomfortable to wear. And coming to the this sandal, you get this block here, and I really love how this looks. You can wear this with your any flowy dress and your jeans. So it's in the size 7. It costed me around 379 rupees, and also you get with other color like pink and gray and also black. If you think that white is not really the good color because it gets dirty and all, then you can go with some other color. But then what I really think is white suits with every outfit, so you can check this out. These are really inexpensive. And the next one we have is this white transparent sandals, and this is what it looks. So this has like a transparent base, so there is no like proper sole of this. It has like a transparent material, and this is what it looks. It has like a huge block heels. It's like a block heel, and this is what it looks, and it's in the size 40. So I really love how this look. You can pair this with your jeans or any dress. So yeah, these are really comfortable to wear also. It's not that uncomfortable to wear. I really love wearing this kind of transparent heels. If you did not really try any transparent heels, then you can try this out. And these are not really expensive. These are just 550. Of course it's above 500, but then for 550 I think it's worth the price, so you can check this out. Next one we have is this white sandals, and this is what it looks. So this is what it looks from the up close. So it has like flower detailing in front of this, and also back of the footwear you have the same this flower kind of detailing. So I really love how cute this looks. You can pair this with your kurti pants, and also it has like 2.5-inch heel, and this costed me around 399 rupees, and I think for 399 these are worth the price. And even this the down part of this footwear is really comfortable. It's not that hard, it's also little soft and hard. So I really love how this looks, and also it's really comfortable to wear, so you can check that out. Next we have is this pretty gray heels. So I really love how this color looks like. So it's basically a velvet material. So I really love how this materials look. It's really comfortable to wear, and yeah, this is what it looks. It has like a very small block. It's not that a huge block, so I really love that. And coming to this, it's really good to adjust and all. So yeah, this is what it looks, and this costed me around 399 rupees. It's really elegant to wear with your party outfits and all, so you can check this out. So last one we have from this Flipkart haul is this. So this is what it looks. It's basically a synthetic material. So yeah, so this is what it look entirely, and I really love this bright colors to wear, and it has like a, you know, this block heel which is of like 2.5 inch. And I really love this, you know, detailing material and all. So it has like this, you know, cut kind of, you know, a strap. So I really love this. And also here you have the same design where you get, you know, this the same design. So yeah, it's costing me around 379. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.